और अगर आप यहाँ पहली बार आए हैं तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब के बटन को क्लिक कीजिए और उसी के बगल में एक बेल आइकन होगा, उसे भी क्लिक कर दीजिए सो दैट जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले। वेलकम टू बी वाव वॉइस एंड वर्ड्स। ये एक ऐसा चैनल है जहां पर मैं अपने कुछ पोएम्स पेश करती हूँ। मैं इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी तीनों में लिखती हूँ और मेरे पोएम्स बहुत छोटे होते हैं ताकि आपका ज़्यादा वक्त ना लूँ। बस कुछ बातें होती हैं जो इन पोएम्स के ज़रिए मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहती हूँ। तो आज मैं कौन सी बात करने जा रही हूँ? आज 10 सितंबर है, वर्ल्ड सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन डे। सुसाइड सुनने में बड़ा अजीब सा वर्ड लगता है और हिंदी में तो इसका और ही अलग मतलब बनता है, खुदकुशी। अलग है ना? किसी के बारे में जब हम पढ़ते हैं, हमने अगर पेपर में न्यूज़ पढ़ ली कि somebody has done a suicide, थोड़े पल के लिए सही दिल बैठ सा जाता है। हम उस इंसान को पहचाने ना पहचाने, बट फिर भी इस वर्ड से एक कपकपी सी आ जाती है। तो आज मेरी जो पोएम है वो इस डे के लिए तो ज़रूर है, पर इसके पीछे एक पर्सनल चीज़ भी है। मैं प्रोफेशन से टीचर हूँ, पिछले 10 साल से बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ, अंडर ग्रेजुएट्स में सिखाती हूँ। और ये पोएम मैंने बहुत पहले लिखी थी, मतलब इसी साल, बट कुछ महीने पहले। दैट वॉज अ वेरी फेटफुल डे फॉर मी बिकॉज द मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई वोक अप विद अ कॉल ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट। एक स्टूडेंट ने मुझे कॉल किया और कहा कि मैम, डू यू नो अबाउट दिस पर्सन? एंड ऑल्सो आई टॉट दी अदर पर्सन, सो आई डेफिनेटली न्यू। सो मैंने विदाउट एनी थॉट मैंने हाँ कह दिया कि हाँ, व्हाट हैपेंड। मुझे लगा कि कुछ नई न्यूज़ दे रहा होगा ये स्टूडेंट मुझे ऑन द अचीवमेंट ऑफ द अदर स्टूडेंट। बिकॉज हमें एज टीचर्स ये सुनने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है कि हमारे बच्चों ने क्या अचीव कर लिया अपनी लाइफ में। और ये सच में बड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट होता है जब आपके बच्चे कुछ अचीव कर लेते हैं और आप मतलब आई कैंट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड्स। तो मैं वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी और दूसरे ही पल वो स्टूडेंट ने मुझसे कहा कि मैम, he committed suicide। और आई वॉज स्पीचलेस। मैंने फोन रखा और आई रिकलेक्टेड ऑल द मोमेंट्स that as a teacher I had spent with him, scolding him sometimes for not submitting assignments, praising him for his good work, giving him time for submitting late assignments sometimes if his reasons were valid. All these kind of interactions that other than classroom interactions we have, this all came in front of me like a film. वो रील चलती है ना, जब हम बचपन में देखा करते थे अपने सर को उधर झुकाए, वो मुझे उसका एहसास हुआ। And that gave me a small hint that I should write something. I should write something on this concept or this idea of this generation, that you feel suicide is an option, whereas it is never an option. Trust me, it is never an option. And that is the point when I sat down and I wrote this poem. But of course, for some reasons I could not record it. So today I thought might as well, this is a nice day to at least pass this message to everyone basically. So if you're watching this video, I would request you to share this video to every individual, because you never know who is going through what. This might cheer them up, this might give them a message, this might help them to come back from that road that they're about to take. This might just stop them. क्या पता, एक छोटा सा मैसेज किसी के लिए जिंदगी बन जाए। एक छोटा सा मैसेज किसी को ये कह दे कि उस रास्ते नहीं जाना है, वो ऑप्शन नहीं चुनना है। Because it's very difficult for a teacher at least to listen to a news of a suicide of her own student. I'll go with the poem. आशा करती हूँ आपको ये पोएम ज़रूर पसंद आए, और अगर आपको ये पोएम पसंद आए तो ज़रूर लाइक का बटन क्लिक कीजिए। सब्सक्राइब आप ज़रूर करेंगे इसकी आशा रखती हूँ। और मेरी पर्सनल विनती है कि इस पोएम को ज़रूर सबके साथ शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताइए कि आपको कैसी लगी। और मैं आखिर में कुछ एक बात कहूँगी आपसे, तो आखिर तक ये वीडियो ज़रूर देखिएगा, बिकॉज हम कुछ नया करेंगे आज इस सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन डे में। इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं कुछ नया करना चाहूँगी आप सब के साथ, और मैं जानती हूँ आप सब मेरा साथ ज़रूर देंगे। तो ये वीडियो ज़रूर आखिर तक देखिए। ये मेरे रेगुलर वीडियोज़ में से एकदम थोड़ी सी, बहुत नहीं, एकदम थोड़ी सी लंबी हो सकती है, बट आई एम श्योर आप ज़रूर मेरा साथ देंगे और मेरे साथ अंत तक रहेंगे। तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर एंड तक देखिए और मेरे साथ हम वो काम ज़रूर करेंगे जो मैं इस एंड के वीडियो में संभाल के रखा है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पोएम। द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज इट इज़ ओके। इट इज़ ओके। You are an achiever. You are a loser. You are a success. You are a failure. Who gave these labels to you? Who decided who is you? Don't let anyone decide who is you. It is you who is going to decide who is you. It is okay if you don't get an A in that exam. Nothing has changed. Just stay calm. It is okay even if you fail the exam. It is okay. Your world is intact. Just stay calm. It is okay if he or she dumped you. Trust me, love is still out there, waiting for you. You just knocked on the wrong door. Wait for a couple of years more. It is okay if the job is draining. The deadlines are pushing. You are yet not a loser. Just because you don't finish work in time. You are an achiever because you are standing firm every time. Just stay there and see miracles will happen. The night may seem dark, but sunrise is next in action. It is okay if today your pockets are empty. It is okay if today your pockets are empty. Tomorrow, you will be having ample money. Just your tomorrow is a little late. Just your tomorrow is a little late. That doesn't mean money is not in your fate. Just smile around and look at the nature. Just smile around and look at the nature. You will have a reason. You will have a reason to love, live, for sure. Still, if you feel crippled for a moment or two, it is okay to cry and let the emotions blow. Crying doesn't make you weak. Hiding your emotions sure does. Crying doesn't make you weak. Hiding your emotions sure does. You are a human, not a machine on click. You are a human, not a machine on click. Share your feelings. What's the buzz? Share your feeling. What's the buzz? It is okay to have a setback. It is okay to have a setback. Make it the reason for your comeback. Make it the reason for your comeback. Don't ever let this momentary failures judge you. You are far stronger than these moments to break you. I know. Saying is easy than doing. I know no one can know how you are feeling. But trust me on this. One thing I know. It's just the moment. Let it go. It is just the moment. Let it go. Speak up to someone you feel can hear. Speak up to someone you feel can hear. Make them understand what you bear. Dialing a call is very, very easy. Just a few numbers and you got the key. You are life to someone. You are life to someone. You are reason for their survival. You call them mom and dad. They are the one. You call them mom and dad. They are the one. Your ultimate dose of revival. Your ultimate dose of revival. There is no bigger pain to see. There is no bigger pain than to see the life they gave birth is dying. There is no bigger pain than to see the life they gave birth dying. They don't deserve the punishment, you see. They don't deserve the punishment, you see. As now, they will only be crying. As now, they will only be crying. It is okay to be the last in the race. It is okay to be the last in the race. You ran. You ran. For that, have a smile on your face. Being there is equally important to winning. Being there is equally important to winning as staying there is equally important to living. As staying there is equally important to living. Trust me. Trust me. Stay there a little longer. Stay there a little longer. All your questions will definitely have an answer. All your questions will definitely have an answer. Life is precious. Life is precious for we are lucky to have one. Life is precious for we are lucky to have one. You can't just one day stop the action. You can't just one day stop the action. It is okay to not have what others are having. It is okay to have not what others are having. You can't just decide your fate on someone else's belonging. Who knows? They might be having the same feeling. Who knows? They might be have the same feeling. You feel they are lucky, happy than you. You feel they are lucky, happy than you. Oh boy, so happy and lucky. Someone is feeling while seeing you. Someone is feeling this while seeing you. Always look at the less privileged than you. Always look at the less privileged than you. In the game of comparison, they might be idolizing you. They might be idolizing you. Trust me, ending your life is not a solution. It is definitely not a hashtag of this generation. No wound in the world comes without a healer. I believe in this. No wound in the world comes without a healer. Live your life. It makes you cooler. Live your life. It makes you cooler. It is okay to have a bad day someday. It is okay to have a bad day someday. This is going to end. Have faith in any way. It is going to end. Have faith in any way. Tomorrow will come and you will definitely shine. Tomorrow will come and you will definitely shine. No one can replace you. Someday you will be the sunshine. No one can replace you. Someday you will be the sunshine. It is okay to feel lost sometime. It is okay to feel lost sometime while you struggle with your situation. Trust me, for whatsoever, suicide is never a solution. Suicide is never a solution. A very small bit of a poem, whatever I felt, I just penned down. Now, after the poem, the thing that I told you that please look at the video till the last. मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप इस पॉइंट तक आए हैं, आपने पूरी वीडियो देखी है, तो मैं चाहूंगी कि आज सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन डे के दिन हम और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आई अंडरस्टैंड, हम ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हम बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेजेबल नहीं है किसी को साइकोलॉजिकल ज्ञान देने के लिए या किसी को किसी बुरे वक्त से निकालने के लिए. अंडरस्टैंड. बट हम एक चीज़ ज़रूर कर सकते हैं. हम आज प्लेज करते हैं. लेट्स प्लेज दिस दैट whatsoever may life give me, whatsoever my life had given me or my life may give me, I will never have suicide as an option. I will never have suicide as an option. ये आप प्लेज लीजिए, और जब ये वीडियो आप किसी के साथ शेयर करें तो उन्हें भी ये प्लेज लेने बोलिए। और अब जब ये प्लेज लें तो मुझे मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में जस्ट प्लेज ये वर्ड डाल दीजिए, तो आई नो यू हैव टेकन द प्लेज, यू हैव टेकन द प्लेज टू नॉट हैव सुसाइड एज एन ऑप्शन, and definitely you have taken the pledge to ensure no one has suicide as an option. No one has suicide as an option. No one has suicide as an option. Thank you. I hope you like the video. इस वीडियो को ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, और आपने अभी तक BWOW को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर किया होगा।